This video is part of a series of videos I'm doing on manual machining, and this machine is a KRV 2000. It's an XYZ machine. It's a turret mill, and these turret mills, they're all similar to the Bridgeport BRJ, and these are very versatile machines. You can tip the head over, you can tip it forward and backwards, you can rotate it, you do all sorts of stuff. So it's really useful for, you can tip the head right over and drill holes in the side of a part if you want to. So they're very versatile machines, and they can really access all areas. So they're really useful to have in a workshop. But they are manual machines, they're not CNC controlled. This one's got an ACU-RITE Mill Vision digital readout. It's a fairly old 1990, 89, 99, 1990 DRO, but it's still got some quite clever little functions on there. So enjoy the video. This video is about this midpoint button on your screen. Now, what this does effectively is it halves the value on the screen. So were you to press the X, then you'll see this midpoint and the freeze button. If you then press this midpoint button, it will effectively halve the value that's in X on the screen. So what it's really useful for is if you want to find if you want to get in the center of a bore, you can touch that bore on the left hand side, zero it, then move it to the right, and whatever that figure is, you can press X midpoint and it'll halve it. Then do the same in Y and you've got the center of the part. What we're doing in this video, we're very carefully touching on the edge of the part on the right, and then we're zeroing the X. So we're saying X, and then press the absolute button which zeros the X. And then what we're going to do then is move over to the opposite side of the part. Obviously we're not doing this too accurate here because we're just demonstrating it. We're using this ball. It's the back end of a wobbler actually. But we know now when we touch this side, this is actually the width. It doesn't matter whether you're on center line or not, because you're just trying to find the center in X from left to right. So we're touching here on the right hand side, and then all we do then is go over to our display and we press X, and then you'll see this midpoint which you press, and that will then halve that value, and you've got 43.56, which is sort of half of what that is. Then when we move to the center, we're actually on the center of that part.